Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the world of photography and videography, capturing the perfect shot often requires stability and precision. Whether you are a professional photographer, content creator, or an amateur enthusiast, having the right camera tripod stand can make a significant difference in the quality of your images and videos. A reliable tripod provides a stable platform, minimizes camera shake, and allows for creative flexibility in framing your shots. With a plethora of options available in the market, selecting the best camera tripod stand can be a daunting task. To simplify your decision-making process, we've curated a list of the top 5 camera tripod stands that stand out for their durability, versatility, and innovative features. From compact travel tripods to robust studio setups, these tripods cater to a range of needs, ensuring you can confidently capture stunning visuals in any scenario. Join us as we explore the best camera tripod stands that elevate your photography and videography to new heights. Number 5. Walking Way WQ666 Camera Tripod Stand. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, the WQ666 tripod is remarkably lightweight at 1,600 grams, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures or for extended shooting sessions. Despite its lightweight design, the tripod boasts impressive stability, ensuring that your valuable camera equipment remains secure and wobble-free during operation. One of the standout features of the WQ666 is its broad compatibility with various camera types. Whether you're using a 360 degrees video camera, point-and-shoot, DSLR, smartphone, or mirrorless system camera, this tripod has you covered. The adaptability to different devices makes it a versatile choice for photographers who own multiple cameras or those looking to upgrade in the future. The WQ666 offers an impressive maximum extended length of 1,530 mm, providing ample height for capturing shots from different perspectives. The tripod's adjustable legs and center column make it easy to set up on uneven terrain, ensuring that you can get the perfect shot even in challenging environments. Number 4. Miliboo MTT601A Camera Tripod Stand. The tripod's construction is impressive, boasting a robust aluminum body that ensures durability without compromising on weight. At 4,000 grams, it strikes a perfect balance between being sturdy and portable. The build quality instills confidence, making it suitable for a variety of environments and shooting conditions. The Miliboo MTT601A is a versatile companion for photographers and videographers alike. With a maximum extended length of 1,530 mm, it provides ample height for capturing stunning shots. Additionally, the folded length of 770 mm makes it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. It accommodates a wide range of cameras, including action cameras, point-and-shoot cameras, 360 degrees video cameras, DSLRs, and digital sign cameras, making it a go-to choice for many types of photographers. Setting up the tripod is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design. The quick-release plate allows for swift attachment and detachment of the camera, while the adjustable legs and center column offer flexibility in framing shots. Number 3. Kingjoy C82 Plus T20X Camera Tripod Stand. One of the standout features of the Kingjoy C82 Plus T20X is its robust construction. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, this tripod strikes an excellent balance between strength and weight. At just 1,030 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go photographers and videographers. Despite its lightweight design, the C82 Plus T20X doesn't compromise on stability. With a maximum load capacity of 15 kilograms, it effortlessly supports a wide range of devices, from smartphones and digital cameras to GoPros and camcorders. This versatility makes it suitable for various shooting applications, including video recording, 360 degrees photography, and more. The tripod's 4-section legs provide flexibility in adjusting the height, offering a maximum extended length of 1,190 mm and a folded length of 443 mm. This adaptability ensures that you can capture the perfect shot at any height or in confined spaces. The quick-release plate mechanism makes it easy to switch between devices, enhancing efficiency during shoots. Number 2. K&F Concept KF09.086V1 Camera Tripod Stand. The tripod is constructed with high-quality magnesium aluminum alloy, providing a perfect balance between durability and portability. The build exudes robustness, assuring users of its longevity and ability to withstand the demands of outdoor shooting. Weighing in at just 2,000 grams, the KF09.086V1 strikes a great balance between stability and portability. The twist-lock leg system makes it easy to set up and fold down, and its folded length of 570mm ensures convenient transport and storage. This design is perfect for on-the-go photographers who need a reliable support system without compromising mobility. The tripod is designed to accommodate various camera types, including DSLRs, digital sign cameras, and 360 degrees video cameras. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or videos, the KF09.086V1 offers a versatile platform that adapts to different shooting styles and equipment. Number 1. ARTCISE LF70T Monopod for Camera Tripod Stand. The monopod's construction is commendable, crafted from lightweight and durable aluminum. The attention to detail in the design is evident, with a focus on both sturdiness and portability. The build quality instills confidence, making it suitable for use with various camera types, including DSLRs, mirrorless systems, smartphones, and digital sign cameras. One standout feature is its portability. Weighing just 1,940 grams and folding down to a mere 710mm, the Whalen LF70T is an excellent travel companion. Its compact design ensures that it can be easily packed in a camera bag, making it convenient for on-the-go photographers and videographers. With a maximum extended length of 1,830mm, this monopod provides an impressive reach, allowing for unique and creative shots. The adjustable height caters to various shooting scenarios, whether you're capturing landscapes, events, or filming 360 degrees videos. Thanks for watching this video.